Hello, Professor. This is Navita Garg. I listen to your video. Is technology the problem number one? So I would like to discuss some of the things which you are trying to ask, that who are our real competitors and what makes us separate from that competitors. So I would say yes, definitely health clubs, fitness clubs are our competitors, but I would say people would like to come to us only in that way when they are not feeling well, when they have any pain, trauma, sprain, strain issues, and if they are healthy, so they would like to go their fancy, attractive environment like gyms and clubs. So I think we are in society as a doctors, so we are separate from that fitness clubs and health clubs, because healthy people don't want to come to us. And also I think we have a very limited equipments for exercise and for exercise and all, and they have a multiple equipments, technological gadgets, electronic devices, so people are attracted there more too. That's why people buy the gym membership, by seeing only the attractiveness there, by creativity there. Sometimes they don't go there, as you discussed that 25% of people have their gym membership, but they are not following them. Besides 75% people who are not doing not have any gym membership, but still I think they are more dedicated towards the exercise and fitness goals. Besides, they have their own lifestyle, sitting jobs and all, but the 75% who actually knows that what is the meaning of fitness and exercise, and what will do if exercise is not in their life, like many health issues were there. So I think they are following the fitness and exercise goals. And also the talk about the electronic devices like smartwatches, cell phones and tablets. So for instance, to me, that I spend like a number of hours to just sit on the tablet and make the assignments and all. And on one way, it's good that smartwatch gives me a reminder that yes, time to set up. But I think people are more rely on these devices. People are like, if they don't have watch, say they can't rule out their health, rule out their performance. So yeah, technology is somewhere the problem, because technology makes the work more uh, because people can do work easily nowadays, so they have a more work in a day, so they have a more sitting time, more sedentary lifestyle. They are just sitting and doing work on computers and all. So I think due to technology, the health issues were increasing nowadays, because earlier it was not like that. Earlier it was a limited time, people have to do work with their hand, so they have a limited time to do that. And after that, during do the work, they have some exercise too. But nowadays, during do the work, they no exercise, no movement is there. That's why the health issues were increasing, like obesity, diabetes and hypertension. So yes, I agree with you that technology is the problem. Thank you.